Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering off and clearing a small workspace. This prevents damage and keeps parts visible. Once done, remove cables and use a soft cloth under the headphone to protect the finish. Use a flat pry tool at the seam and gently lift the outer lip. You're aiming to release the retaining ring, not tear the foam. Keep track of which side you opened and the cushion orientation so reassembly fits snugly and the microphone or controls align. You now detach the cushion fully. Peel slowly around the entire ear cup to avoid snapping clips. Once removed, clean the ring and cup edge with an isopropyl wipe to remove oils and adhesive. This ensures new cushion bonds evenly. Examine clip tabs or the adhesive channel for cracks. If clips are intact, you'll press fit the new cushion. If the channel held adhesive, replace with a thin adhesive strip. Make sure surfaces are dry and debris-free before you install the new cushion by aligning its seam to the headphone's reference point and seating one section at a time. Starting at the bottom helps keep alignment consistent. Press firmly and evenly around the rim, flexing the cushion slightly so clips or adhesive lock in. Once seated, test fit by wearing briefly to confirm comfort and sound seal. If you notice looseness, make sure clips aren't broken and add a thin double-sided adhesive. In persistent cases, swap the retaining ring or get a replacement cushion.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.